Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week and ready for a cracking weekend. Today, this is the freebie. It's a floral color with a big contrast of black and white. To be fair, they're actually not black and white because there is a bit of green on the butterflies. And I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but trust me, it's like a very, very, very dark petrol green. I don't know how else to describe it. But I'm the man of contrast, so I love the prettiness and cutiness of the background with the deep butterflies. This page here has been designed from my brand new kit, which is called Arts and Brushes. It's a mini kit, so it's only 4 pages, $1.75, less than a price than half of a coffee. Very super cheap and affordable, and yeah, I love it. So this mini kit is called Arts and Brushes because what I wanted to create a kit that it looks like somebody's painting it. Okay, so I played with the color combination, with the contrast to create something a bit different. So this is not your normal pastel papers. This is something a bit where the contrast of like lilac and purpley with this pink and yellow. There is green and pink, a little burgundy with some teal and olive green. And last, which is this page, when I have used for your freebie, it's actually this way, which has got a contrast of oranges, blues and pink. So what I've done, I put this page, which is, if I put it like that, you can see, yeah. And I just put some butterflies on top. Okay, so I don't know if you can see on camera, but they look like paint strokes, paint brushes. So I hope you guys liked it. I have few people purchase it so far, so it's only new, so I hope you guys will like play with that. And I thought let's design something to showcase the new kit. So this is you get for free as usual, so I hope you guys will like and enjoy. As usual guys, 2 ways to get my freebie. Way number 1 is to join my newsletter. My newsletter is an email, and I will put it here on the screen on the left hand side. I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is a video recap of the week, papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code or a little offer for you to enjoy. It's just a very nice email for chit chat, sometime twice a week, so just look out. And way number 2, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter has already gone out to everybody, so you won't be able to receive this freebie. But when you join, you will be able to receive next week and the following weeks, etc. So if you want today's freebie, and there is about 300 freebies I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years. It's all put together on my Facebook group, and again, I've put on the screen. My Facebook group is an interactive community where myself and other creators and other crafters shares the project, freebies, ideas, videos, etc. So it's a very, very interactive platform where you can see all my freebies in date order. Okay, so once you join in, you click on files and you'll be able to download everything that is in there in date order. So it's a kind of archive where you can go and help yourself and download everything that is in there. Okay guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up if you like this video. It really supports with my journey here on YouTube, because every time you interact with my videos, you're telling YouTube that I'm fabulous. No, honestly, it really supports my journey here on YouTube, and it really helps me create new freebies and content, etc. Have a wonderful weekend guys, and until next Monday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.